Right, welcome back to another one from Advancing Car. Today, Owen and I have been working on this 2016 E89 Z4. It's a lovely little car, nice, clean, looks good in white. Yeah, so we've just modernised it and made it a little more user-friendly. So what we've done is we've fitted a Bimmertech CarPlay system, which obviously goes in and works along with all the iDrive system, comes up on the lovely large screen they've got and enables them to have CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, or they can plug it in and still charge their phone and things. That all works treat and modernises it nicely, gives them all that functionality, you know, nav and Waze and all that sort of thing, but also listening to all music and everything. You know how CarPlay works. And yes, so that's just modernised that side of things. In terms of functionality and ease of use of this car now, I think sometimes people find they've got pretty bad blind spots when reversing, so we fitted a nice little reversing camera up on the bumper just above the number plate, and that now just gives a really nice clear view out the back of the car, so it makes, you know, reversing, manoeuvring an absolute doddle. Just ties in nicely with the kind of parking system, so you get your little parking lights still up on top right, and it just interacts and turns off as soon as you come out of reverse. And then we've also done a remote roof control, so we can now functionally open and close the roof off his key. Now, one slight caveat that we have found with this car today, and in terms of the roof modules, is the battery on this car is not in the best of health. So that was one thing that did throw up a few little issues today, and we were kind of going, why is stuff acting weirdly? We then did a little check on it and we found the battery was not happy. So that's one thing that in terms of your roof module, because it draws so much on the battery, your battery needs to, I think in terms of health check, it needs to be up in like 65–70% of health, so you can work it off the key. What it has also given him though is a one-touch system when the engine is running. So where you've got your two little buttons down at the front by that kind of front little flap compartment bit in front of the gear stick, now you only have to press it for like a second or two. Once it starts getting going, you can let go of it. You don't have to sit there holding it anymore. And that's also a good sign that you know your roof module is working. So that's just a little thing. So unfortunately, can't show you the roof working off the key. But we've got other videos of things like that, and all the other cars that have had roof modules work in a very similar way in terms of the key. So if you want to check those out, you can. But yeah, that's kind of about it, really. Lovely little car. Like I say, we just kind of modernised it a bit, brought it into modern day tech, and it's going to be a lovely thing to use now. So I think the customers are going to be pretty happy, and they'll get a nice journey back half of the country, I think it is, with CarPlay and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, keep checking out all the videos. Thanks for watching. If you've got a car like this, get in touch and we'll see what we can do. Take it easy.